You will not become a data engineer if you follow random YouTube tutorials, download 15 GB Udemy course, or just memorize definitions from ChatGPT. Why? Because data engineer is not a checklist. It's a messy, real-world job that feels more like solving a client crisis at 2 a.m. than writing a clean SQL query in class. Coaching center whiteboard, full stack developer plus data science combo, 6,000. भैया डेटा इंजीनियर का क्या होता है? If you are watching this video, know that even the best beginners once googled what is Hadoop. Let's be honest, nobody tell us the real roadmap. Coaching centers teach buzzwords, YouTubers sells dreams, but the ground reality, it's different. And that's what this video is about. Curious about how AI and LLM are now merging with data engineering? On this channel, Data AI Core, we break down both tutorials and next gen data topics from SQL to Spark to Gen AI. If you are serious about your tech journey, hit that subscribe button now. No fluff, just practical knowledge you can use. Let's start. Messy job tracker, broken pipeline, emails from manager saying urgent fix needed. So if you are between 16 and 35, confused, working, or still studying, this roadmap is for you. And not theory, a real world roadmap. From coaching to client project. This is not just a roadmap. It's Anya's story and maybe yours too. Imagine you are sitting with a friend. Her name is Anya. She just joined an IT coaching center that promised her job ready data engineer career in 3 months. They taught her some SQL queries, bit of Python, and buzzwords heavy resume template. But on her first client in project, everything broken. That's when she realized she needed the real roadmap, not coaching wala gyan. I will tell you step by step. Step 1, SQL and database. Anya's first task. Month 1. Manager assign her a ticket, pull user behavior, data from 3 tables, and generates report deadline EOD. Anya panics. But this is where SQL comes in. SQL helps you select join, aggregate, and filter data from tables. She uses inner join, group by, and case statement. She also start learning about database schemas, primary versus foreign keys, and the difference between OLTP and OLAP systems. Where to learn? I will tell you YouTube channel and link in description. Shubham Lag for beginner SQL walkthrough YouTube. Darsil Parmar for SQL in real projects YouTube. Step 2, Python automating chaos. Month 2, she is asked to clean raw CSV logs and send daily reports. She writes her first Python script with pandas using read CSV, group by, and merge. She learns file handling with OS Glob, scheduling jobs using cron, writing modular scripts and functions. She also learns the importance of error handling using try except, how to log a script using Python's logging library, and how to use virtual environment. Reference Chris Naik for Python in data pipeline. YouTube. Apna college for Python basics. YouTube. Step 3. Git and Linux. The DevOps reality checks month 2. She modifies a script directly in production. It crashes the pipelines. Oops. Her senior says, you didn't use Git? No rollback, no log. Anya learns. Git init, clone, commit, push, pull, merge, branch. Linux commands cd, nano, chmod, cron, ls-lh, grep, tail-f, df-h. Watch Code with Harry, Git for Absolute Beginner, Geeky Hub, Git and Git Hub in Hindi, YouTube. Step 4, ETL and Apache Spark, fixing the mess, month 3. She is asked to automate a manual process that's taking 2 hours daily. Anya builds her first DAG in Airflow. Schedules jobs to pull API data, clean and load the database. She learns DAG, directed acyclic graph, operators, bash operator, Python operator, task dependencies and retries, logging and monitoring Airflow UI. Learn ETL and Airflow, data with RAS, end-to-end project examples. YouTube. Chris Naik, again, DAX explained with real use case. YouTube. Step 5, Cloud Reality for deployment, month 4. Coach works locally, fails on cloud. She is introduced to AWS and GCP. She explores AWS, EC2, S3 Lambda, Glue Ethna, GCP, BigQuery, Cloud Function, Cloud Storage. C also sets IAM roles, environment variables, and understand cost optimization. Watch Namaste AWS by Rawat for Indian AWS tutorial. Data with RAS, GCP plus BigQuery walkthrough, YouTube. Step 6, Apache Spark when Pandas breaks. Month 5, huge JSON file crashes her system, Pandas can't handle it. She learns Spark. Use data frame for distributed processing. Understand transformation versus action. Learn about DAG, lazy evaluation, partitioning. Starts using PySpark. Best source, iNeuron, Sparkful series in Hindi, YouTube. Step 7, data validation and CI/CD, month 5 and 6. A broken ETL loads wrong data into dashboard, seen by CEO. C learns to implement validation with great expectation. Write test case for transformation. Add logging and alerting via Slack, email. Use Jenkins GitHub action for CI/CD automation. Step 8, real projects. Anya builds her first system month 6. She builds an Airflow DAG to fetch Swiggy data, cleans it using Spark, loads it into BigQuery, visualize it using Looker Studio, Dockerizes pipeline and deploy on GCP. She shares it on GitHub and it lands her real interview call. For interview, Suvam Wadekar, real mock interview, YouTube. Anya sipping chai after completing her first successful deployment.